Word starts with letter K.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
K is for kitten.
The mouse ran down.
K is for kitten. Kitten. K is for cola. K is for cola. Cola. K is for kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher. K is for kids. K is for kids. Kids. K is for karate. K is for karate. Karate. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. K is for key. K is for key. Key. K is for kettle. K is for kettle. Kettle. K is for keyboard. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. K is for kick. K is for kick. Kick. K is for knot. K is for knot. Knot. K is for kale. K is for kale. Kale. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for kitchen. K is for kitchen. Kitchen. K is for kite. K is for kite. Kite. K is for king. K is for king. King. K is for kimono. K is for kimono. Kimono. K is for knife. K is for knife. Knife. K is for kennel. K is for kennel. Kennel. K is for knee. K is for knee. Knee. K is for Komodo dragon. K is for Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon.